MTD Network have travelled to Tamworth, to the home of Brown and Holmes, and I'm with Mick. Now we're going to be looking at your latest offering. You've invested a lot of money into two 3D printers, Stratasys 3D printers. Now, why is this?
Yeah, we invested a considerable amount in two printers from Stratasys, the F450MC, which you can see there, and then the 170, which sits in the design office. We saw it as a necessity to grow into that market. We saw competitors starting to use them, and we saw the complex things they were producing and thought we need to get on board with this quite quickly.
Now I want to clarify, you're not using these products for R&D, you're using them for production and to make real life components for your customers. Can you give me some examples of this? You know, what is your offering here?
Yeah, we offer a complete service, so we're using printed parts on our own fixtures, where manufacture of them out of conventional subtractive machining would have been difficult, but we also want to sell these two machines to the market to offer subcontract services. So anybody that needs anything printing in 17 different materials, we can print across the two machines. So we're actively looking to fill the capacity on these machines and hopefully look to invest further in additional machines. So
you're happy to manufacture any parts that your customers want you to manufacture, and you would actually design the parts for them for their application and then print them, is this correct?
Yeah, we can offer that service. I mean, we have a strong design team that can model the parts. Essentially, anything that can be modelled in 3D, we can print. So if customers have existing models, then we can print from those existing models in a variety of CAD formats. Or if they've got ideas or drawings and they want parts printing, then our design team can model those parts and then print them out. What's
the capacity?
The capacity across the two machines varies. The smaller machine does approximately 8 inches cubed by 10 inches high, and the bigger machine does 16 inches square by 11 inches high. Yeah.
Now that's quite large parts. I mean, I've got one here. Now it's not a small part. This is quite a simple part in comparison to some of the parts that you've manufactured, and this is for a hybrid fixture. So can you give me some examples of the fixture this is going on to?
Yeah, this fixture will sit on a conventional machine base, and then we've printed a lot of 3D parts that will assemble together, and those assembled parts will form a structure that is stable in the printed material, which will then all be secured to a conventional machine base to give the solution that our customer's looking for.
Thanks, Mick. So there you have it. We're here at Brown and Holmes. They've got two 3D printers and they've got some spare capacity at present, but that capacity is not going to be here for long. So if you're looking to re-engineer certain components, give Brown and Holmes a call today.